I don't know about y'all, but when I go to a barbecue, I'm looking forward to grilled chicken wings. If you got grilled chicken wings, baby, I don't need anything else. I promise you. All right, so I have my freshly washed wings. I have cleaned them with lemon juice, vinegar, salt, and water. I let them sit for a little bit, and then I continuously rinse the water until it runs clear. After I finish cleaning my wings, I'm going to go ahead and pat them dry, throw some oil down, and then I'm using the seasonings of my choice. Now, I don't want to hear that bull crap about that's too much seasoning, that's too much seasoning. We like flavor in this house, okay? And a lot of the seasonings that I use don't even contain salt. So forgive me if we want to have a little taste with our food, okay? If you don't like seasoning, I do not have the page that you want to be on, period. After I go ahead and season the chicken to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and mix that all in. I want to make sure every piece of my chicken is seasoned. I don't want the top seasoned and not the bottom, not the side. I need to make sure everything is good so we have a cohesive flavor all together and it's all bomb. Now, you know we got to have a little secret ingredient. If you want to turn your chicken wings up, go ahead and throw some of that zesty Italian dressing on there. I'm also going to add some lemons. Yes, you might wonder, no, I'm not going to let them grill, but I am going to let them marinate. I have seasoned everything, added my Italian dressing as well as my lemon, and I'm going to marinate this and cook them tomorrow. Do you see how delicious this look? Stop playing with me. Stop. I don't even got words. Okay, so the next day, we're going to go ahead. I have my grill at about 350, I believe. I have a propane grill. I'm going to put my chicken on there. Now, they do say, you don't really want to overstuff your grill. I wanted to get all this cooked at once, so I did what had to be done, okay? And the chicken was good. You might see a little char on there, but the chicken was bomb. The flavor was there. The tenderness was there. The grill was there.